Dear students, in this session you are going to write a test on the poem You Start Dying Slowly, written by Pablo Neruda. This is going to be the 4th unit test that you are going to write. In this test, the first question is on annotations. The first one under annotation is you start dying slowly when you kill your self-esteem. Second one, you start dying slowly if you become a slave to your habits. Now, when you're answering these questions, remember that your answer will start with the name of the poem and the poet, and immediately after that comes the explanation about the lines where you are going to say who said, to whom, and the meaning of the lines. The next question is a set of questions for which your answers will be either in a word or a phrase or a sentence. As these carry 1 mark each, be very precise. The first question is, what happens to a person if he does not listen to the sounds of life? Second question, what does make your eyes glisten and heartbeat fast refer to? Third question, according to the poet, should we risk what is safe for the uncertain? Fourth one, what are we supposed to run away from at least once in a lifetime? The next one is the question for which your answer will be 1.5 pages. And the question is, what are the qualities that human beings should emulate for a meaningful living? So for this question, your answer will be the entire poem. Now after this is the language components, under which the first one is punctuation. Remember the most commonly used punctuation marks which we had discussed in the session on language components and answer these questions. The first sentence given here is, Lata asked Sanjay, where are you going? The next one under the language components is framing questions. Now you are supposed to frame different kinds of questions for different kinds of sentences. If you have got a sentence with the underlined words, then your framing of the question will be that of WH question. Otherwise, it will be yes or no question. So the first one under framing questions is, experts have forecast heavy rains. Heavy rains is underlined. The instruction given is frame a question so as to get the underlined words as answer. Now the second sentence under this is, yes, extreme cold caused the engine to fail. Instruction given is convert into yes no question. Next topic is use of negatives. Now under negatives, remember the words no, not, never. If a affirmative sentence is given, add one of these words to make it a negative sentence. If a negative sentence is given, observe the sentence, which negative word is used in that, so that you can remove that negative word to make it a positive or affirmative or assertive. So first sentence given here under this section is, Sangeeta doesn't work hard. Convert into affirmative sentence. Second one is, Virat Kohli played well in the last match. Convert into a negative sentence. Now after this is linkers. Fill in the blanks with appropriate linkers given in the brackets. So you know that linkers are nothing but conjunctions. Try to understand the meaning of the linkers given in the brackets and then fill the blanks. First sentence is, leave now, you dash will be late. Second one, he went to Bangalore dash get a job. Third one, dash he ran fast, he could not catch the train. Now the linkers given in brackets are in order to, not only but also, or else, because, though. So out of these, choose the appropriate one and then answer the questions. All the best. Thank you very much.